Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Today I'm going to show you very easy, quick stir-fry Hoffen, also known as a Chaofen, with eggs and vegetables. I made the beef version over 3 years ago. I will leave the link below, you can compare them. And this is perfect for lunch or dinner, so quick. And here's up, let's cook. First, we're going to beat the 2 eggs. A little bit salt, and I need a half onion. I use red onion. You can use regular onion. I like to add some color. Just slice it. So I have 3 cloves garlic. Slice it. 2 green onions. Slice at the angle like this. It's prettier. I have a pack of Hoffen rice noodles, and they're not fresh Hoffen, so they're not so soft. This is 15 ounces. We probably need, I'm gonna make 10 ounces. You see how hard or brittle they are, so we just need to put in the microwave. 15 seconds, then we will check. We probably need more. Now we can separate the noodles easily. See? Here's last piece. For the sauce, we're going to add about a tablespoon light soy sauce. And if I have dark soy sauce, it's about a teaspoon. And oyster sauce, about a teaspoon. And we also need some bean sprouts. We are ready to cook. I'm heating up my wok to high heat. You can also use a non-stick pan. Just add some oil. Let me use avocado oil. I'm going to make eggs first, scrambled eggs. Okay, let's set aside eggs, a little bit of oil. Turn the heat to medium high. Add our garlic, followed by our onions. Just add a little bit of salt. Cook about 2 minutes till they are softening. We add the noodles. Turn the heat to high. Use chopsticks. That's a good tool to stir it. About a minute. You see noodles changing color, getting brown. You add the sauce. Now add the eggs and bean sprouts. About 4 ounces. Stir it. Add the green onions. And we'll drizzle some sesame oil. And it tastes quickly. Just a little bit more soil. Our stir-fry Hoffen's ready. Ready to plate it. Wow. Time to serve. Wow. Looking good, right? Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. Wow, it's fantastic.
Yep, the noodles
Noodles have
soft,
so perfect.
but still have some chewiness.
Chew to them.
So you're getting your protein, getting vegetable. As I said, this can be quick meal, and if you get a freshly made Haifen, you don't need to heat up in the microwave. But if you need to do that, just check, make sure you can separate them easily. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.